gun to its eyes!
He has his father's eyes.
Yeah, what the fuck you think you know about me? Sever off the head if you're my enemy. Yeah, watch your body falling at my feet. Ran the blaze to your wrist, can't take the heat, so take a seat, yeah. Ay, choose your next words carefully, or death will be the only peace you'll ever see. Ay, got that gun to your head, yeah. Go and pick a fucking coffin for your bed now. Yeah. Yeah, I guess I made my cousin scene, but you could come and catch this fucking smoke for free. Ay, yeah. Poison close into the vein, enough to make you go insane. What a pain, ay. I made friends with the devil, hellish levels, heaven couldn't even save it. Ay, filling my cup, double it up, smoke at a club, I'll be dancing on your grave, yeah. I made friends with the devil, you can't reach my level, I say. You're gonna die anyways, don't pray. Ay, devil horns on my head, so my soul took over, hell burn you instead now. Yeah, walls around you scorching red, stuck a needle to your vein like it's the trend now. Ay, silver tongue, say your name even though you're to blame. Must be going insane, stay in your own fucking lane. Yeah, ay, yeah, you caught in a danger, a fucking disgrace, gonna die anyways. I'll burn this whole fucking place. Yeah, I guess I read my cousin's scene, but you could come and catch this fucking smoke for free. Ay, yeah, poison course into the vein, enough to make you go insane. What a pain.